Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, July the 18th, 2019 and the time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So for today we will be updating gold. It's been a while since we last talked about gold right here. Now this one, as you can see, this pullback to the 1385 is labeled as a wave 4. Okay, and then since then gold has rallied again, so that means this rally right now that we see is in the wave 5, right? So this is wave 1 of 5, this is wave 2 of 5. Now we are within wave 3 of 5, and this is the subdivision of the wave 3 of 5. So this is wave 1 of 3 in the red, and so we should continue to see more upside. Now just looking at this short-term 30 minutes chart here, we can see that gold already breaks above this previous peak here, right? And 100% extension from July the 9th is going to bring us to 1441. That is the 100% from here, right? In the form of a 3 waves. Now, but then this structure is an impulse, so it could be more than that, right? Because 3 waves 100% normally is for corrective sequence like an ABC or WXY. If it is an impulse, then it can potentially go higher, right? So the bottom line here in gold is we do like more upside, all right, and we do not like selling. This 3 waves pullback here that we currently see, as far as it stays above that previous low, which is the starting point of this impulsive rally, then it should continue to see more upside again in gold. All right. Again, if you just look at the simple 100% extension from July, then that's going to give you a target towards 1440, right? Now looking at the bigger time frame, let's take a look at the daily now. All right, so we got this 4. I'm putting it here. This is the same 4 here at 1385 that you see earlier. So this must be a 3 and this is your 4 if that's the case, and then you can see this rally looks an impulse, right? Looks like an impulse. No question and no question asked, it is an impulse. 1 2 3 4, right? Now the question is whether the 4 is really in place or not. The thing is, unless we break above the 3, right? Unless we break above the 3, technically nothing prevents this to do something like this, what we call a double, right? Double correction. Nothing can prevent gold to be doing something like this, but there's a reason to believe that that may not happen. You can see silver right now is already extending higher impulsively. The gold to silver ratio has already started to drop, so silver is outperforming right now. So there's a reason to think that okay, gold is going to extend higher. Besides, if you look at GTX already made a new high. GTX is gold miner index, so there's a reason to think that the 4 is already in place, even though we have not gotten the confirmation yet by breaking above the 3. Now taking into sort of a higher time frame perspective, you can see from the August 2018 we got what looks like a 5 waves up here that you can label it either as a wave A or as a wave 1, depends, right? It can be a wave A or wave 1, as always, 5 waves. And then you got a 3 waves correction that can be labeled as a wave B or a wave 2. Now if we just purely look at the short term, that means we are missing wave 5, right? Still looks like a 1 2 3 4 so far. And then secondly, the minimum target, if it is an ABC zigzag, is going to be 1450, which is the 100% extension, assuming that's a wave C, right? Assuming that's a wave C, then the minimum is 1450. Now that doesn't mean 1450 and then it's gonna crash or something like that. It just means that it still needs a little bit more upside in the shorter cycle, and that's all we care about, the short term, because we don't normally talk about long term in this video from the public. But short term we are looking for at least 1450, right? And then from there, we may, if this is a ABC, we can get a reaction, all right, around 1450 or maybe higher than that. If it is 1 2 3 though, then potentially it can extend a little bit higher. Okay, so bottom line, going back to the shorter cycle, is that as long as the pullback stays above this wave 2, gold can continue to see more upside. All right, so that's the video update for today. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel. And as always, we also have 14 days free trial for those of you who just come to check us out. You can check the 14 days free trial to see if we can help you. All right, and I will be on vacation in the next starting on Friday, and then the whole week next week, as well as Monday and the week after. We'll come back around Tuesday, the next 2 weeks after that. So somebody else is going to is going to be providing an update on the YouTube, as well as also in the normal live trading room as well. So otherwise, I'll see you all again next time when I come back, and have a nice day, everyone.